Most of us city dwellers, we still love wildlife and desperately want to coexist with wildlife. Some wild animals, especially wild birds, can cope very well living with humans, like these wild parrots of Sunnyvale, coming home to sleep every night in this residential park. They are red conure and hybrid of some other kind of parrots. This lovely Oriole come to my backyard to drink every day during the warm season. He and his friends seem to like my backyard in Willowland, San Jose. They come during the warm season and leave for Mexico when it gets cold. This guy is not shy. He come real close to me. These housefinches are year-round residents of my backyard. The male has a bright color during mating season. The female doesn't have any color. This scrub jay have beautiful blue color, but he is mean. He eats the eggs of other birds. This bald eagle and his mate for a few years now. Every spring they come to a tree in Milpitas in front of a school to build their nest and have children. These are his offspring, two of them. At about 2 to 3 months old, they are this big, almost as big as their parents. When I went to Canada, I saw this woodpecker eating insects right by the side of the road. In an open area. In a residential neighborhood of Florida, I saw this peacock. They originate from India. The male is displaying his beauty in front of the female. This Pileate Woodpecker is supposed to live in the jungle, but I saw it twice. One in a residential park in Texas, and this one is in a residential park near my hotel in the town of Florida. We love birds and wild animals, and it is a pleasure to be able to live with them in urban environment. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can watch my other video about wild birds.